Okay, we're cutting out for the eyelids here, so we need to take this down more. So we're going to cut this down some more in here, get it a little deeper. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, put it in my comment section. I'll get back with you. You can see we're getting this down in here much deeper. We want to do the same to this side here, and then we can start on working on the nose a little bit while we debate what we're going to do with our eyelids and stuff. So we'll get the other side done up like this side here, and then we'll come back. Thanks for watching.